Okay, everybody, a quick recap of dissociation. Dissociation is when ionic compounds break up into ions. And remember, this is done with all ionic compounds, but our most soluble ionic compounds break up the most. This is not a chemical reaction. Okay, hide. There we go. All right, so let's do a couple examples. Easy one. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is highly soluble. You can check your solubility table. It breaks up into sodium ions and chloride ions. Sodium chloride does not turn into something that looks like this. Chlorine exists as Cl2. That's an element. Ions exist based on how they're balanced. There's only one chloride in this molecule, and it makes one chloride ion. Let's try it with something a little bit bigger. Let's try calcium chloride. Checking our solubility tables, it's soluble. It becomes calcium ions and 2 chloride ions. Yay! Why does it become 2 chloride ions? Because this molecule here is made by having 1 calcium per 2 chlorides, and when water comes along, whoa, here comes water. Pow! It breaks it apart into a calcium blob and 2 chloride blobs. Something. Okay, so that's that one. Now, let's say you had a big polyatomic. Polyatomic ions stay together, like sodium carbonate. Checking our solubility table, they are very soluble, so you get 2 sodium ions and a carbonate ion. We don't break up our polyatomics into a bunch of little CO3. We don't break up CO3 2 negative. Okay, we don't break up our polyatomics into smaller things. If you have something that is not soluble, like silver chloride, it just stays silver chloride in water. If you had 2 polyatomics which are soluble, like sodium nitrate, they break up into 2 polyatomics. Crazy. Okay, perfect. That's the mini lesson on dissociation.